Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my car collection. Here it is. I'm going to show you all the brands and everything. First, we got Subaru. I got four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half gray, half white. And now the Chevys. Chevrolets. Here. A lot of different colors. This one's a customized one. This yellow one right here. And then we got the one cars. A lot of the cool ones in the front. Ferrari. Next we got a Lucid, a golden and a white. Next we got a Bugatti and Bugattis. The Chiron and the blue-eyed, blue and red. Next we got a Honda. Why did I say a Honda? There's Hondas. Two of the same kind, but they're different colors, orange and green. And one is a race car. So orange and green and black. It's like both of these cars combined makes that a cooler one, because the colors stay there. Okay, next we got a Lotus. Why do I keep on saying it's Lotuses. Next we got the Bramblers. Lotuses. Okay, next we got Ford truck, and the rest are cars. Actually, one more truck. Actually, two more trucks, and one van and one SUV. My favorite Ford is probably this one, because one of my longest haul wheels. The longest is this boat car. Okay, next we got a bus, a school bus. Look at it. Wait, open the door. We opened the door. We opened it. It's already open. Let me close it. Nah, bro, I closed it. Look. I'm just kidding. It's not fully closed. But next, we got this. A blue truck. It's like a drift car. Next, we got these two. They're color changing cars. Water. Going water. Okay, Lambos. These are the cars I have the most of. Actually, the second most. I have most Fords. And then third is Dodge. My favorite. Yeah. My favorite one is this the green Lamborghini Huracan, because it has silver rims and it looks amazing. Wow. Okay. Next we got Bentley, a race car and an SUV family. Okay, I did the Bugatti, so let's move on to Toyota. Two 4Runners and one Supra. Okay, next we got GMC, two, one light blue, one cyan. Cyanish, I don't know. It's really bright on this camera. Okay, next we got Aston Martin, even though it's scratched up, it's an old car. And I got another Aston Martin that's a race car. Wow. Wow, everyone clap. I can't clap. Okay, next we got McLaren. Two P1s and one F1 GTR and one Soul GT. Which one better, Soul GT or Senna? Soul GT. Speed or Soul GT. And even though Soul GT looks more cool, it's Senna. Next we got Dodge, my favorite. Police Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger, old one. Dodge Charger. I don't know which kind of Dodge that is, but Dodge Charger Police. And then Dodge Challenger, old one. Dodge Viper. Something. Actually, it's convertible. I don't know what I said. Now we got Rally Car 3. You might think this is, 4. You might think this is a Shelby, but it's not. I read the back. Okay, I got two Pagani's. One Zonda R, one Wire Roadster, four Porsches, and I got one of my favorites. I remember we still have a special surprise at the end. These two go together, one trailer with the van, and then a car at the back on it. And then next, oh, there's no next. So this is your last ones. I only got one of these colors. Like and subscribe if you want to get more. Comment which one I should get out of these 5. Mazda, Tesla, Jesco, F1, whatever that is. Okay, that's all. I'm going to show you one more thing. Look at the cars. Beautiful, right? Okay, the surprise at the end that you've all been waiting for is one of the smallest Hot Wheels. Yeah, it's a Hot Wheels. It's kind of blue, but it is. You can build. It's tiny, right above my thumb. That's the logo. It's orange. Okay, that's all. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe.